discussing two different bikes, a mountain bike and a road bike. A mountain bike has thick tires, and a road bike has thinner ones. A mountain bike is made for rocky areas and dirt trails. A road bike is made for roads and for sidewalks. On a mountain bike, there are shocks to absorb bumps. On a road bike, there isn't. A mountain bike is not as fast as a road bike. A mountain bike has lower gears for climbing up mountains. A road bike has higher gears so it can go fast on the road. We're done for the first video.